Hey everyone, you don't need Go installed in your computer to start coding in Go actually. You can start playing with Go in multiple playgrounds online. We will start by this one. So this is the official Go playground. It's go.dev/play. And here you can start playing with Go. See, I wrote my name here. I do run and we see hello Mohammed. So this is a first playground you can use. It's absolutely free and it's so cool. You can play even from your phone probably. There is this one. It looks like VS Code and it's the same thing. Hello world. We can run it and we would get a hello world. There is this third one. Same thing. Hello. Clear is better than clever, and run it and we have it working. So this one is go play.space, go play.tools, and go.dev/play. There is other subscription based or something like that. There is this one. It's called Replit. It has a free plan and you can try it and you can write plenty Go here as well. Please start writing Go today. If you struggle with your workspace, it's okay. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.